Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make a silhouette in Canva. Let's dive right in. To make a silhouette of an image, it must have no background, so if your image has one, you have to remove its background first. Click on it to select it, and at the top toolbar, click on Edit Image. Select the Background Remover tool and wait for Canva to process the image. Next, in the Effects section, select Duotone. Select any preset and adjust the highlights and shadows. Change both to black. Ensure that they are set to full black to create a solid silhouette effect. And there you have it. That's how you make a silhouette in Canva. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.